Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Are you looking for a craft that'll engage the kids but have a beautiful result? Well, that's what you're going to see right now. I'm going to teach you how to make these amazing poured paint ornaments. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. For this project, you will need acrylic or tempera paints in squeeze bottles with tips, washi tape roll, scissors, number 6 cork, plastic ornaments, paper towels, and a work surface. Now, the paint is very important in this. You want the paint to be as thick as possible, but you might need to thin it down a tiny little bit because you do want it to pour easily. You want to shake up your paint really good though first, and then pop off your lids. So we'll give it a good shake. This is why you have a work surface, because it likes to pop out the top. Now, the reason I have this little roll of washi tape is that I'm going to use that to hold my ball so that it doesn't roll. First thing you're going to do is remove this little silver topper. And then you're simply going to take your paint and squeeze it down the side of your ball and give it a little turn. Just give it a couple little turns there. And then you want to take your next color and squeeze it in. And again, give it a little turn. As you can see, the colors start kind of mixing and meshing. Now, one thing that I have learned as I've been doing these, you really want to be careful of the colors that you use. Because if you use colors that, like purple mixed in here, it's going to start to get muddy. If you put green in here, it's going to start to get muddy. However, if you keep it towards the yellows and the reds and the oranges, those are going to be really pretty colors together. I'm going to take a cork and I'm just going to give this a little shake. And that will further mix the colors. You can even spin it like a top if you want to. And there you can see it's really spreading out, and might need a little teeny bit more right here. I'm going to add a little bit more yellow. Right there. Just give it a little shake. There we go. And that's all there is to it. There you have it. Your very own poured paint ornament. You can make dozens of these, and I think that you are just going to find that they light up your tree. For more fun ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com.